Alright, so for the trunk, there go my light right there, and you know, it's pretty much the same thing except the cover is a little bit different. There's a pretty nicely sized indentation on this end, so I don't even think I'm gonna need the scraper. There we go. You can get your fingernail in it, and you can pretty much pull it down, and boom. So you pull that one out this way, and there we go. Take that out. And swap. Now you got fat fingers, this one's gonna be hard for you to get your bulb into. Boom. There we go. Alright. So we got them both replaced. And we Gucci.